Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download Chrome browser in your Windows PC and laptop. So let's start it. So if you want to download Chrome in your Windows PC and laptop, then what you can do is first of all open up a browser. So you will have a default browser in your Windows laptop. So what you can do is just simply open up that, and that is Microsoft Edge. So we'll have an Edge browser in our device. So it's a pre-built browser. So what you can do is just simply open up your Microsoft Edge. So in search bar, you can just simply type in Edge and then open up your browser. And after opening up your browser, now in search bar of Edge, what you can do is just simply type in Chrome download. After typing in Chrome download, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option, which is Google Chrome download. Download Google Chrome today. And after tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply tap on download Chrome, and that will start downloading Chrome. So after downloading Chrome, now what you can do is just simply tap on open file. And after tapping on open file, now it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So just tap on yes. And after tapping on yes, your Chrome starts downloading. So now after downloading Chrome in your device, what you can do is just simply search for Chrome. So you have just downloaded Chrome, right? So after searching for Chrome, you will find your browser. So what you can do is just simply add this browser to your home screen by dragging and drop it in your home screen. So now what you can do is after installing your Chrome, you just have to open up your browser and then log into your account. And after logging into your account, you will successfully download and install Chrome in your device and can use your Chrome in your device. So that's it guys, this is how to download and install Chrome in Windows PC and laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.